Prepositions of time. In, on. Prepositional phrases with in. 1. In a decade. The technology will advance significantly in a decade. 2. In a fortnight. We will complete the project in a fortnight. 3. In a moment. They'll both be asleep in a moment. 4. In a second. It could start to rain in a second. 5. In a week. It's my birthday in a week. Also in a year, month, hour, etc. 6. In April. The flowers bloom in April. Also May, June, etc. 7. In autumn. The leaves fall in autumn. Also in spring, in summer, in winter. 8. In December. We celebrate Christmas in December. Also in January, in February, in March, etc. 9. In the afternoon. I usually take a nap in the afternoon. Also in the evening, in the morning. 10. In the past. People dress differently in the past. Prepositional phrases with on. 1. On a cold day. I stay indoors on a cold day. Also hot, sunny, rainy, windy, dull day. 2. On a daily basis. They exercise on a daily basis. 3. On a regular basis. He checks his emails on a regular basis. 4. On a weekly basis. The team meets on a weekly basis. 5. On Christmas Day. We exchange gifts on Christmas Day. 6. On Halloween. Kids go trick-or-treating on Halloween. Note: on Halloween in USA, at Halloween in UK. 7. On Monday. I have a dental appointment on Monday. Also on Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. 8. On my birthday. I receive many presents on my birthday. 9. On New Year's Eve. We always celebrate on New Year's Eve. 10. On Thanksgiving. We have a big dinner on Thanksgiving, in UK at Thanksgiving. We go to the country on weekend, USA. In the UK, we would say at the weekend. 11. On the first day. She was nervous on the first day of school. 12. On the last day. We had a party on the last day of the trip. 14. On Valentine's Day. They went out for dinner on Valentine's Day. Prepositional phrases with at. 1. At a glance. He understood the problem at a glance. 2. At a later date. We will discuss this at a later date. 3. At a moment's notice. He usually pays at a moment's notice. 4. At a specific time. The train arrives at a specific time. 5. At all times. You must carry your identification card at all times. 6. At dawn. The birds start singing at dawn. 7. At dusk. The sky turns orange at dusk. 8. At first. At first, I didn't understand the instructions. 9. At lunchtime. We usually eat a snack at lunchtime. 10. At midnight. The fireworks started at midnight. 11. At night. The city looks beautiful at night. 12. At noon. The meeting was scheduled at noon. 13. At present. At present we are focusing on the new project. 14. At sunrise. We went for a walk at sunrise, also at sunset. 15. At that moment I realized my mistake. 16. At the beginning of the year we set new goals. 17. At the end of the day I was exhausted. 18. At the moment. I can't talk right now, I'm busy at the moment. 19. At the same time, they arrived at the same time. 20. At the weekend. We usually go out for a meal at the weekend. Other prepositions of time since means from a particular time in the past until a later time, or until now. England have not won the World Cup since 1966. Ago means back in the past, back in time from the present. The dinosaurs died out 65 million years ago. Before means at or during a time earlier than. She's always in bed before 12. By, not later than means at or before. She had promised to be back by, not later than 5 o'clock. For is used to show an amount of time. I'm just going to bed for an hour or so. From, ikos used to show the time when something starts. The museum is open from 9:30 to 600, Tuesday to Sunday. Past are used when telling the time. It's just past 12 o'clock. Till, until, inks up to, the time that. We waited till us until Saturday for you. By, not. Later than means on or not later than the deadline. Please return the books by not later than Tuesday. To is used when saying the time to mean before the stated hour. It's 1 minute to 12. It's 5 to 8, etc. To also means until a particular time, marking the end of a period of time. It's only 2 weeks to the new year. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy your English. And that's the end. Now watch again and do the games.